Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's OP video update. And you guys have been screaming that, oh, you didn't do OP updates, bring the OP updates. Here we are with the OP updates. But you know, the OP coin right now and what I see on the charts is not something you're going to like at the moment. And I do see OP as a little bit of a relief to the upside, and that's pretty amazing, right? But unfortunately, that's not everything that you might want to hear, because what I'm about to give you for OP is I'm going to, bust your bubbles a little bit right now, because on the 4-hour time frame right now, there's something that I want to actually go through with you, and that's going to be the following, okay? Now, a very quick recap about OP is that we came all the way from $2.25 and we're already down like 50%, nearly 55%. You know, there's a big retracement. There could be chances of going higher, but there's one issue, there's really issues at any time. Right now, you are creating a downtrend, okay? So this is a downtrend at the moment. And if we talk about the downtrends, we're looking at, a break of a downtrend, nearly right there, something like this one. But you can actually say that this is a downtrend nonetheless. That's the downtrend that I'm looking forward to, because you do have this touch right over there, you have the touch right over here, you do have some few touches right over there, and now you're trying to actually cross this level right over here. Now there could be chances of breaking the downtrend, and if you do break the downtrend like this and try to move higher, I'm going to tell you the next technical target. Now unfortunately, there's one more resistance that you want to keep your eyes on, and it's going to be this resistance right over here. Just for a second, I'm going to remove this downtrend at the moment, okay? And just look at how you had this W here, double bottom, break out of the double bottom, went to the technical target, came down, and unfortunately all you're doing is you lost the support, you're going back for the retest, and this is nothing more than just a retest of this last previous support. So what a support here is turning into resistance there, and it doesn't necessarily mean that you're trying to move any higher. Now, even though if you get lucky and you break out of this level and you break out of that big down trend line resistance that I've just showed you right there, then you're probably looking for OP to basically move to the next technical target, which I'm going to tell you right here right now. So yeah, which you haven't really broken out of it, but there are chances, and this is the chance that I want to take. And we can even say that, it's going to look to go from there to there, and this is where you're breaking out. So you could actually go to 1.242 and, just a little bit of relief to the upside, like a 10-11% move to the upside as well. Now, be very careful. I just want to dive into the daily as well. So let's look at what the daily looks like. Yeah, there could be chances of going higher, but, once again, if I do remove every drawing, you can see the daily is even way more clear that this is a level of resistance. So you got to be careful and don't buy near resistance unless they're broken, and I've told you how they look like. The last time that it did the same thing was here as well. People were so excited because OP actually what it did is, it went to the downside like this and made that big huge green candle. People thought it's going back up, but they didn't realize that it was nothing more than loss of support here and a small tiny retest, and now you're moving to the downside. Again, you went back up, you lost support, you're moving back, you're finding rejection, you could go down. Now one more thing that actually even support my claim for OP not moving higher is that you have 3 black crows, and that's actually 3 red candles back to back. So that's not a good idea to trade. You can actually be rejected, and from tomorrow you can still roll over. Bitcoin is not looking good, so be very careful. Bitcoin can still, and it has a technical target to drop to $17,800, I believe. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on OP. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.